The valve sack making machine FK0083 produced by Xiamen Jiner Intelligent Equipment Co., Limited. It is 12 meters long, 7.5 meters wide, 2.5 meters high, and weighs 17.5 tons. It is independently developed by the company and has its own core technology and intellectual property rights to avoid potential litigation risks for customers. The vacuum adsorption bag steering mechanism independently developed by Jiner realizes the high-speed transfer of the bag body in the vertical direction, which is fast and stable, unlike other manufacturers, which use the pressure claw bag steering mechanism. It has independent core technology and intellectual property rights, avoiding the litigation risk of patents of a well-known foreign equipment factory and no infringement of intellectual property rights. Jiner innovative triangular bag opening mechanism has no suction cup wearing parts, which greatly reduces the cost of daily maintenance. It uses the combination of negative pressure and conveying system to reduce noise while efficiently opening the bottom of the bag, achieving efficient and stable operation of the equipment. Unlike other manufacturers who use suction cup bag opening mechanisms, Jiner has independent core technology and intellectual property rights, avoiding the patent of a well-known foreign equipment manufacturer and no risk of litigation for intellectual property infringement. Jiner adopts a professionally designed heat-sealing welding mechanism and uses unique technology to achieve uniform blowing and constant size. The servo control of the blowing axis switching is adopted to accurately control the welding on-off time. Compared with other manufacturers using the cylinder mechanism, the welding quality is higher. The blowing angle can be accurately adjusted, and the heat seal width can be flexibly adjusted without stopping. At present, in the market, the bottom stickers of other valve sack making machine manufacturers are transported by belts, which is easy to cause the bottom stickers to fold corners and produce waste products. The faster the production speed, the more serious the angle problem, the higher the waste rate, and the belt is easy to wear and difficult to replace. The adsorption roller transfer mechanism innovatively developed by Jiner effectively solves the problem of easy angle folding during the transfer of the bottom paste, greatly improves the yield of the bag, improves the stability of the equipment, and saves production costs. This function is unique to our company and holds an invention patent.